my name is Ashley. In case you don't know, you probably already know because of all my other videos. Anyway, today I'm going to be opening this cool toy. It is a Ralph Breaks the Internet Disney Princess Dolls set. I got it at Walmart, but my mom's mad because I wasted about $50 or more. But I wanted it. And I got this. I earned it because I got A's and B's on my report card from Mr. Stotler, my teacher. Anyways, excuse me. What did I hit? Oh yeah, thumbs up this video if you get A's and B's on your report card too. So I think oh yeah, I found the opening. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna show you what's in here for now. So first, we've got our beautiful Ariel doll. I love her red shiny hair. Oh my god, you guys look. Okay, wait, look. Right there is gonna be, oh, you guys, look at this beautiful Pocahontas doll. We're gonna show you from head to toe. Here's her head and beautiful shoes. Oh my god, I love her black shiny hair. And I love her little shirt because it has a wolf on it. And it's howling. Oh, okay. Oh, and I have the other doll out real quick. But first I want to show you the nice glitter and designs on your pants though. I love that so much. Then let's get our Ariel doll. Here she is, beautiful Ariel. And look at, this is what I was talking about. There's a little sea star. And I really love her red shiny hair because it's so beautiful. And then she has like this nice little purple top. I don't know if I could say what it says. Gizmos and Woozits and What's
it's part of the song.
And oh really? And I mean, look at their hands. They're like flexible, really, really flexible. I mean, look at this. She's flexible. She's jiggling. One thing that I also like about her is her nice shorts. I love how they have like a mermaid print. And I love the glitter. Don't you guys just love glitter? Hashtag Glitter Club! Oh, and I had come up with little accessories. No, I'm good. Okay, anyways. Here's Pocahontas' accessory. It's like a clay cup, I guess. And then here is Ariel's. It's a Starbucks coffee. Tiny Starbucks. Okay, now Ariel's gonna drink it. So you guys, this is what I earned from my report card, and I really hope you guys liked this video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Excuse me. And make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe. I don't know why I keep doing this. Bye. Oh no, her face.